Are there any considerations to try to onshore fabrication of Auradine's ASICs in the US? Is that already happening? This is obviously top of mind given a lot of the looming tariff threats that we've seen coming out of the current Trump administration.
Yeah, so Colin, I think you're bringing up an extremely important point around global diversification, geopolitical risks, and the like. So, just take a step back, right? For some of your listeners and viewers who may not be, fully familiar, Auradine, we are a high technology company based in the heart of Silicon Valley in California, and we have our team which is based here. We are US designed, fully. In this, and we think it's the intellectual property, is critical in terms of the design of the semiconductor chips, the full system, the software stack that we actually do on top of that. There are already US sanctions on access to sensitive semiconductor technology that applies in particular to the to companies based out of China. And that is one thing which, that the administration is increasingly taking cognizance of. So for any company which is looking for any, managing risks when it comes to supply chain shocks, we think that, not just us, but other companies, if they're based or designed in the US, is a good alternative to that. From our perspective, our technology for the ASIC chip design that is fabricated, in this case by TSMC, it's fully compatible with any of the units that TSMC is going to put in the US as well, where there's been public announcements and there's ongoing, factories that are coming up. So we've diversified in that particular way. We have the ability to actually get the final assembly done in the US. We do it in different parts around the world, but all of the intellectual property is all done within the company in Auradine, which is based in the US.